This is an extremely urgent message regarding not only silver, but also gold. So if you want to know exactly where both of these metals are going to be going in at least the coming days and potentially the coming weeks, you need to pay attention to what I'm about to say, because there's a couple of levels that are absolutely critical. Silver might be flipping back bullish, and gold actually just reversed on one small time frame to a bearish structure, but the path to new all-time highs, or at least the old all-time highs for both of these metals, is laid out in this video. And if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am the founder of Nordic Alpha. I'm a pro trader inside of not only just the metals markets, gold and silver, but also crypto, the S&P, options, you name it, we trade it, we do it inside of Nordic Alpha. And in this video, I'm going to give you exactly what you need to know about not only gold, but silver. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the charts and show you everything that you need to know. Now, we are actively in a long position on gold. I do have to tell everybody that. So we do want to see gold going up, but I'm going to show you the levels that will either make or break that trade from happening. No matter what, we are going to be profitable in this trade, so it really does not matter to us which way it breaks. We will be prepared either way inside of Nordic Alpha, but I want you to know what those two levels are. So the first level is going to be right here at $5,269.40. Second to that, we are looking at a breakdown level of $5,109.50 right here. So these are your two most critical levels right here. And we're going to get into silver, and we're going to do some deep analysis of silver and show you exactly what could be happening inside of silver here in just a second. So do not worry. Now, the one thing I want people to understand, we are in a downtrend on the 1 hour, the 4 hour chart on gold, but the 12-hour and those longer term time frames like the daily, the weekly, the monthly, they're all still in uptrends. So although if you take shorts here, you are counter trend trading, you're not fading the short-term time frames to mid-term time frames, you are fading the long-term time frames. So let me show you where those break and where we could be going potentially after that. If we zoom out just a little bit, we will see that we actually had our old market structure highs here. We broke them to an uptrend here, then we broke them again to continue that uptrend right here. Okay, so we are in an uptrend on the 1 hour chart, and well, back there we were, and the 4 hour break of structure for us to get back into an uptrend is all the way up here at the all-time highs. Then we broke market structure to the upside again for a continuation right here and right here. But the problem with us breaking each time was that we had to move our lows higher. And now our lows are very close to where price is, and we actually broke our prior lows, which were right here on the 1 hour chart, which flipped us to a downtrend. So if we are going to continue downwards, it is going to be right here. We do have a lot of support below. It would take us all the way down to $4,423.20 in order to break market structure to the downside on the 4 hour, continuing that bearish structure on the 12 hour and on the 1 day. But this is where it gets kind of critical, we'll say. Gold is actually in a bullish formation on those longer term time frames. So the shorter term time frames don't carry as much weight here, and you do have a lot of room to move down to still continue to the upside on gold. But the one thing I will say on silver, we are so close to aligning every single time frame. I'm talking short-term, mid-term, and long-term time frames, all in those bullish market structures in an uptrend that it's almost like written in the stars that it's going to happen, right? And there's no guarantee that it's going to happen. But if you want those actionable insights and you want those trade setups that I give out and those trade ideas every single day with my analysis, get inside of Nordic Alpha. The prices are going up by 67% at the end of this month. We do offer discounts right now. Can't guarantee we always will, but we do offer discounts for 3, 6, and 12-month memberships. Let's get straight into silver. That way you can see exactly what is going on. I obviously have one of my deviation zones up, so, you know, spoiler alert on that. This would be, you know, something to take note of, here on this massive range right here where you have your 1 hour, 4 hour, and 12-hour highs, and then your 1 hour, 4 hour, and 12-hour lows. That is our range. I do have a proprietary proprietary deviation tool that is only known to Nordic Alpha people. So if you want to know what that tool is, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha and you have to get on the office hours or the mentorship calls. Now, I want to show you why this is potentially really bullish, in my opinion, on silver. And the reason is because our 1 hour, 12 hour, and 4 hour highs are right here at $92.01. And we actually went all the way up to 91.30 right here. So we came within spitting distance of this, like 70 cents, man. We are dangerously close, which is super bullish in my opinion, to switching market structure right here, as long as we close our candles above this, back to the upside on not only the 1 hour, but the 4 hour and the 12 hour charts. And that is on silver. That would give us the gateways to those potential all-time highs, but we have a bunch of levels in between here, that $92 level and the all-time highs at like 122, which is actually very different than what we have on gold, because there's not a lot in terms of resistance in between where gold is right now and the all-time high. So let's show you where silver actually holds up and where it breaks down. Right here, we know this is where we break market structure to the upside. And so as long as we can close a 1 hour, 4 hour, and 12 hour candle above this level, we are now in an uptrend and I can start giving you some bullish targets. We are actively in a long right now on silver that is absolutely killing it, and it's coming up close to one of our levels, which is that market structure shift level, where we are going to decide, are we going to get out of this position or are we going to continue riding this position up? And those parameters are inside of the trades channel, inside of Nordic Alpha. Now, we have all the way down to $63.90 on the 1 hour, the 12 hour, the 1 day, and the 4 hour lows, unfortunately. Say we were to come up to this and then kind of catch a fade. Ultimately, what we want to uphold is this $82 level, which is your prior double top right here. You really need to stay above that level. I do not want to see us getting back below that, okay? So those are just kind of what I would call public service announcements on not only gold, but mainly silver, because silver is getting ready to potentially flip bullish here, which is awesome. And we want to ride that up as far as we possibly can, hopefully up to that $121.80 range, which is the prior all-time highs. But there are very specific and very certain parameters that need to happen in order for us to do that. And if we reject here, we need to uphold that $82 level, even though that is not a market structure low per se, that is a critical support level. So again, if you want those trade setups, if you want those trade ideas, if you want my daily analysis, if you want to understand my deviation zones, the reason why I have my targets where they are, and you want to learn this for real, get inside of Nordic Alpha right now, and I will see you in there.